taking pics. Start taking pics. Live.
Good evening. Dignitaries today on this. Good evening and welcome to you all for the valedictory function of today's workshop on mechanical simulation for industrial skill. Now I request our beloved principal Dr. K.V. Narayan Swami sir to welcome her.
Good evening to all of you. Respected dignitaries in the dais and my esteemed invitees from various engineering colleges and the delegates. Today we have with us our chief guest, Dr. K. Balavireddy sir. K. Balavireddy sir is well-known personality in the field of academics from the last 4 decades. In fact, he has started his career in Surathkal and reached Director of Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. So, and then he became Vice Chancellor of PTU for 2 terms and has brought a lot of changes to the university, including building the various research centers across the state. And then few of the programs what has been conducted have been earmarked in the field of education. One such is JDSAT program, taking a separate satellite channel exclusively to promote education, technical education in India. I think that is one of the biggest initiative in his era it's been happened. And also he is our ADC and DC member of Atria Technology. Sir, we welcome you for this today's valedictory function. I request Gaurav to present the flower packet to one of our chief guests, K. Balavireddy sir. Today we have with us a young entrepreneur and the family member of Atria, Shri Kaushik Raju sir. He has accepted to preside over the function, today's function. He has taken a lot of initiatives to promote the incubation programs in our institution. At the same time, a few startups also has been started. One such very popular organization which has been started very recently is Intellica Telematics India Private Limited. It is being doing very well across all operations in the state of Karnataka, even outside Karnataka. Sir, we wholeheartedly welcome you for today's valedictory function. I request Gaurav to be today's president of the function. We have with us our guest of honor, Mr. Shamsundar Naik. He is the Director of Channel Sales at MSC Software India. In fact, he is being there for last 2 days in this institution, taking care of the complete activity. Sir, we welcome you for this today's We have Mr. Prasad Rodney. He is the Managing Director of Atria Technologies. In fact, he has been completely instrumental and is part of this entire program for the last 2 days. We welcome you with the flower package. We have with us
YouTube right? I send it to others.
Dr. Rashekar Patil,
Group.
Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, who has taken a lot of initiations as well as the lot of effort in taking these industry people together and then conducting this program in a very big way for the benefit of all engineering college faculty who have participated from last 2 days, come from different parts of VTU accredited engineering colleges, private universities and the polytechnics as well. So this kind of programs need to be conducted at Atria to add a lot of value, particularly in the mechanical simulation. The software is being used across, starting from Mascom to Adams. Then we have Atria, we have Madimo. There are a lot of tools actually. Every faculty must understand and know the simulation aspects to implement practically some of the practical projects as well for the student community. Sir, we welcome you for this today's function. I request the board to present the program. I welcome another departments of all engineering departments, basic science department, MBA department, and my esteemed colleagues, as well as my dear faculty members who have been sitting in the last chairs. At the same time, I welcome each and every delegate for this valued function, which is ending today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I welcome our beloved principal K. Narayan Swami, sir. I request Gaurav sir to give a floor. I request Mr. Shamsundar Nayak sir to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Dr. K. Balavendra Reddy, former Vice Chancellor of VTU Belgaum, Mr. Kaushik Raju, MD ASKB Trust, Atria Institute of Technology, Dr. K.V. Narayan Swami, Principal, Atria Institute of Technology, Dr. Rashekar Patil, Professor and Head of Mechanical Engineering, Atria Institute of Technology, Principals, participants and faculties of various institutions who have participated today and yesterday for this workshop. Let me start by congratulating all the participants for successful completion of the 2-day workshop on mechanical simulation for industrial skills. The effort put by each of you in making this successful is really commendable. In today's engineering world, visualizing engineering is the next paradigm shift driving the industry needs. We adopted this concept of visualized engineering to create examples where the participants could relate theory to real-time engineering. I believe this workshop is one such key effort that will shift the focus of academia from knowledge-based engineering to visualizing engineering. No other tools today address the wide arena of engineering simulation as MSc software does, and I am happy to see the participation or the participants working on the tools that are industry standard worldwide. I hope you all had a good exposure on the capabilities of these products like Adams, Nastran, Patran and Apex, with major focus on multi-body dynamics based approach for simulation of engineering problems. Going forward, I request VTU Belgaum to provide us with an opportunity for partnering towards developing an industry-focused curriculum that will increase the employability of students and reduce skill gaps. My special thanks to Dr. K. Balavendra Reddy, my guru and guide, without whom this event would not be possible. I was fortunate to work with him in the era when he transformed the manual drafting to computerized drafting when he was the Vice Chancellor of VTU Belgaum. I am equally privileged to work with him in all our current engagements even a decade later. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Dr. Rashekar Patil for organizing this event flawlessly. Thank you, Doctor. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the principal and management of Atria Institute for allowing us to conduct this workshop here. I wish all the participants excellence in their respective fields. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request CSC HOD Dr. Aishwarya Madam to present AIT Newsstand launch.
Good evening all. It indeed gives me a great pleasure to do a product, to launch the product that we have developed in the computer science department. It's an ERP software which could be used for the entire college. We named it as AIT Newsstand. So I will just run through the PPTs and then I would request the dignitaries to please launch the app. I would first start with the logo launch of the department, followed by the QR code for our LinkedIn page for the department. This is a product which we have developed by 6th semester students using Android application. It gives me great pleasure to say this in front of all the dignitaries who are on stage and off stage. It's an AIT Newsstand. We connect to static as well as dynamic web pages wherein the calendar of events which we follow in the college, the timetable are the static web pages that could be connected to, and the dynamic web pages are the VTU notifications and the previous year university question papers, the syllabus of the subject, the solved manual solutions for all the units, plus the faculty notes, all at one place. It's an app which could be used in the smartphones, an Android phone, where a parent can also view the IA marks and the attendance of the student wherever they are. So it has gone live past 1 month, and we started this pilot project with computer science department. Now we are extending to all the departments in Atria. So it's an Android application and it's live now. This is the screenshot, the first page, that how do we take you through to the app. I hope the menus are visible. We will also do an emulator version wherein you can also see the demonstratable version of the product. As and when we go to a particular student login, we show you the attendance and the IA marks of the student live. Target audience is aimed for all the students of Atria, be it UG or PG. The preliminary version of the app started with computer science department. Now we are extending to all the branches of Atria. So it reduces paperwork and the time, and it's easy, handy. That's what made us, gave us the push to go ahead with this app. I would like to present the team who has done this job at the back end. I would like to call the CS 6th semester students with the faculty coordinator Pavitra, Vivek. We would want everyone to come here for a moment. Thank you all. May I now request Dr. Bhavir Reddy sir and Mr. Kaushik Raju to please formally launch the app by clicking on to the emulator.
Okay, wish you all the best.
I would like to thank all the dignitaries to give me such a privilege to demo my product. The menus available here are general information, but it gives very general information in the sections. We cover here three different menus, the timetable section wise, and calendar of events from the college side, and the syllabus sections, the year specific. When we go to the timetable, we allow to pick the section to which we want to look at the timetable. And when you click on it, the timetable will be seen, and we have given color code subject wise. Then we have calendar of events, syllabus. It's in PDF format. It's specific for our